In my humble opinion, this is the only thing Nigerians have only asked from our government: good infrastructure. Right there, that's the kilometer 29 of the Lagos-Calabar coastal highway. And for those that has been asking, where is the ocean and where is the road? What do you see? Let me take you around on the work progress here on the Lagos-Calabar coastal highway, kilometer 29. Don't go anywhere. This is Eko Akete area of Lagos State. From here, work is progressing on the Lagos-Calabar coastal highway, closing up with the other section coming from Victoria Island. In recent videos, we've gotten comments from you guys complaining that this road is too tiny. This is a closer shot of this road. Now you be the judge. Is the road tiny, as you said? Guys, right here, this is the second lane, and there, that's the first lane, and the middle for the rail track. There are currently sand filling ahead of me. Let's get closer to have a closer view of what's going on right there. From kilometer 29 heading towards kilometer 30, they're leveling this section to meet up with the final road level. Right ahead of us, they are working on the drainage system. This is a box drainage passage system running across to ease the movement of water passage from the underground gutter. As the construction is in phases, so as the work is making progress here on the Lagos-Calabar coastal highway, kilometer 29. This is coming towards kilometer 30. Work is closing up from Eleko section down to this section, while this section is closing up with Victoria Island section of the project. In as much as many of us don't believe this project is making progress, this is real-time footage. We are on a goal to hit 50,000 subscribers before the end of 2025. If you subscribe today, you're helping us achieve this goal. This is one way you can support me. Please, I'm looking forward to it. Approaching kilometer 29, heading towards 28. Let's see the progress they've made on this section of the project. From Eko Akete happens to be the access point where tippers move sand heading towards where there's sand filling ahead. How far have they come with sand filling on this section? Although in this video I wasn't able to capture the exact place where they are at the moment, but they're working heading towards other section coming from Victoria Island, while Victoria Island section is closing up with the Eko Akete section of the project, which in future updates we'll sure get to know where they are at the moment. This is heading towards Aja. Aja is 10 kilometers away from Eko Akete. Eko Akete is located in the Ibejuleki area of Lagos State, 3 kilometers away from the popular Awoyaya bus stop in Ibejuleki. This is a full stretch from kilometer 28 heading towards kilometer 30. In my opinion, it could have been more better if we have planting of trees ongoing while construction is ongoing on the road. This will help beautify the road when fully completed.
you.